In this video, I'll show you how to download Canon printer drivers. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. Getting the drivers for your printer is necessary to go make full use of it. So firstly, you need to go and find out which model your printer is. So to do that, you can probably find it on the printer itself, or alternatively, if it's connected to your computer, maybe via a wire or just wirelessly, then we can also go and find out using our computer. So go and tap on search at the bottom, and you can go and search for printers and scanners just like so, and then wait for it to load, and this should list all the printers you're connected to. And as you can see, I've got this option here, my Canon MG420. Also, I just want to quickly note, as you can see, I've got the option for find drivers, so you can go and get some drivers just to allow you to print things. But if you want to get some more advanced drivers, then what you can do is go and follow this guide I'm about to go and show you now. So now that we know the model, then what we can go and do is go and get the drivers for it. So the next thing you need to do is go and open up a web browser. Personally, I use Google Chrome, but you can use any, and then just come to any search engine. And what you need to type in is Canon support, and then just go and put driver like so. So it should look something like this, and go and search for it. Now it's important to note that Canon do have their own websites for each region, so there is a UK one. I'm just going to go and use the US one, as that's probably one you're using. So go and tap on software and drivers like so. Just make sure you're using an official Canon website, as there may be others which are viruses, so just make sure that you're using the official canon.com. Then what you need to do is scroll down, and as you can see, we need to go and search for your product to get started. So I'm just going to go and type in a random printer right now, so I might type in the Pixma or something like that, so I'll type in Pixma, but you need to type in your product number. So I'm going to go and check out this printer here, so go and tap on it just like so. And then all you need to do is scroll down to downloads, and it will then say software and drivers. So come down here, and you need to firstly go and select your operating system. So I'm using Windows, so I tap on Windows. And then if it says there are no results for the OS version you selected, don't worry, it's because you haven't selected the version. So I then go and select Windows 11, and as you can see, it's now gone and found it. So here is the driver. I then go over to the right hand side and tap on download, and it's going to go and start the download. Now every browser downloads files differently, so it's easy just to go and use your file explorer to go and find it. So you can now go and close off your web browser, and what you then need to do is go and open up your file explorer, then go and tap on your downloads folder, and what we have is the installer at the top. So all you need to do is go and double tap on it like so, and then we're going to go and get a Windows security pop-up. Unfortunately, I can't go and record that. And just like that, the drivers are now installing. So I'm just going to go and tap on next and just run through this. As you can see, we can now go and choose where we are. I'm in Europe, and I've already read the agreement before, so I'll go and tap yes, and there we go. It's now cleaning things up, and we can go and wait. And what you'll need to do is just go and follow the installer instructions. As you can see, I'm now being asked to go and connect the cable. So yeah, I need to go and do that, but there may be different steps for you, especially if you've got a wireless printer. So that's literally it, guys. All you need to do is follow the full steps, and then the software and the drivers are going to be ready for you to go and use, and you can go and open them up